I'm Haven, a Faster Way Pro trainer. I'm gonna be showing you 3 moves for your upper body that you can do at home. To start, you'll need 2 light to medium dumbbells. Mine are 12 pounds each. We're going to first target your back and your triceps by doing a row to a kickback. Simply stand with your feet under your hips, tip from your hips, reach for your toes, draw your elbows in and back, then kick the dumbbells back, straightening your arms, bringing them back and down. Next, we have a bicep curl to overhead press. This is gonna work the front of your arms and your shoulders. Start with your feet under your hips, turn your palms outward, slipe in your knees, and shoulders relax. Curl the dumbbells up, flip your grip, press up, and bring it back down the way you came up. Inhaling and exhaling as you do this move. When you do the bicep curl, make sure your elbows are in by your side. And as you press overhead, push slightly forward of your head, making sure to breathe on that big push. All right, next up, this is a great move for your shoulders. Really good 3D training with what I call an L raise. You'll be taking one arm forward with the palm down and the other arm out with the palm down, stopping at shoulder height. So we'll lift and lower with control, alternating the front arm. Make sure you inhale and exhale, keeping that core nice and tight, slipe in those elbows, and again, stopping at shoulder height. Those were 3 upper body moves you can do at home. If you want to see more of these types of videos, make sure to like this one and subscribe to our channel.